How to move snaps into my eyes only on Snapchat on Android. Open Snapchat and tap on the memories icon next to the camera button or swipe up. Find the snap or photo or video you want to move to my eyes only. Tap and hold the snap or tap the three dot. Tap hide snap my eyes only or select move to my eyes only. Depends on your phone model or your app version. If this is your first time, Snapchat will ask you to set up a passcode for my eyes only. Choose a 4-digit code or passphrase. This is different from your Snapchat password. Confirm and the snap will now be moved to the My Eyes Only folder. To access it later, go to Memories, then tap My Eyes Only tab, then enter your passcode. But make sure that if you forget your My Eyes Only passcode, Snapchat can't recover it. All saved content inside it will be lost. So choose your code carefully. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.